Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how bright these lights are. I just got them from Home Depot and I'm just gonna put it to my shed that I'm building, and let's get started.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DL Boots.
Okay, so right off the bat, I just wanted to make sure that I got something super bright for the shed that I'm building. Actually, this is not a shed, this is like a studio. But I got this and I had something similar like this in the garage, so I wanted to have something bright. The shed is a 12 by 12, so I wanted to make sure that I was doing something that I was super bright and something that I didn't have to worry about, like if I'm shooting a video or anything. But I decided to put two of these lights and let's see how it holds off. So let's just open this thing. It's supposed to be 800 times brighter than our ordinary 60-watt bulb, and it has a motion activated sensor, and it's just like a plug and play, so you just have to screw the light into the socket. So I am going to open this and show you what it comes with. Okay, pretty simple, just like they said. Yep, plug and play. So let's just do that and see how it turns out. One thing that I wanted you guys to know is, like, I had a light like this before, and the light that I had got burned on the side, and I had to throw it away. I had it in the garage, but I think that this one is probably better than the one that I had before. So let's just try it and see how it goes. So this just works like a regular bulb. You just put it into the socket and that's it. So let's see. I really like how you can move the panels here, the light panels, and also there's a button right here. You have two options, or you have three options: on, off, or motion. I'm assuming that the motion is gonna be for detecting if someone is here, which is fine, just in case I leave the light on and I can save some energy. So let's just put it on motion mode and turn it on. Okay, there you go. I am going to wait until the sun comes down and it's nighttime so we can confirm that this is as bright as they advertise. Okay, so it's pretty dark right now. Let's test and see how bright these lights are right here. All right, yeah, this is super bright compared to any other type of lights, and I'm really impressed and really happy with how this turned out. So this is better than the tubes lights that people put on their shop. I think this is gonna be a perfect match for what I need. All right, so it does look like this is gonna be a keeper. These lights are super bright, and it does look like once I start making my videos in this studio / shed, I am gonna be able to have light brights. If you haven't, please do not forget to like and subscribe. I'm trying to build something from the ground up, and this is a special thing that I'm trying to do and show you guys that it can be done if you only know how to follow instructions and pretty much read. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for the next build. So have a good day.